Hey folks, Rob here, and got a new product to try out today. Sent over to us by the good people at Nightcat. Now, I have quite a bit of Nightcat gear, and I've always found it to be very high quality gear, especially for its price. And it's I've never had anything from Nightcat yet that hasn't been quality. So what they've sent us out here to try is and I have not unboxed it, but this is the Nightcat. This is a cart, a collapsible cart that you can use for camping, beach trips, just general everyday. You could take it to the grocery if you needed. Lots of applications where you could use this little portable cart, and you can stow it in the back of your vehicle. And you know, my daughter's actually getting ready to next weekend. She's taking my granddaughter for her birthday to the Cincinnati Zoo and the Newport Aquarium, and she's going to actually be using this in real life scenarios in those applications. And we'll post a few little videos of that and her thoughts on it after using it for those applications. But we're going to unbox it today, look at it, put it together. I think there might be a little bit of assembly, and then we'll follow up with a video after she's had some real life usage with it. And we're going to use it for camping. Camping season's coming up pretty quickly up on us, and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get out of the house and enjoy some time out in the woods. So let's get her up on the table, take a look at it, see what we get. So we're gonna open her box here. I'm using my R Black Tanto for this. I've been carrying this knife a lot every day. Excellent little everyday carry knife. So inside our package here, when you open it, you have your casters, and they are pretty good size, pretty substantial looking casters. We have the unit, and we have the cover and the rigid bottom. Throw all this trash back into this box. And we have some instructions. Well, I see 2 wheels. Wonder where the other 2 are. Probably up inside. So let's get this off of here. So on this side we have our handle and our casters. Now these casters, these are the locking casters, so these will go on the handle side according to the directions. So handle pulls up, locks into place, goes down easily enough. Got a button here that you push to lower this part, and then you have a button here that you push to let it go down that way. So let's open her up here, and there's our other 2 casters. All right, maybe that's a little better. So we have our 4 casters. 2 of them are just straight. They are straight with no locks. Those will go on the back of the cart. Get them unwrapped. So your 2 straight casters will go on the back of your cart. So, and they are square, and they go in and they lock in. And you want to make sure they're facing rearward. So simple enough. Push in, lock in. And they have, do they have a release so that if you wanted to take them off, Oh yes, they have a yellow button. Right here is a yellow button. You push that and you can remove the wheels easily. So if you don't want to store it with the wheels on, push the yellow button, take them off. Our casters with the locks, same way. They swivel so you can turn your cart, and there's your locking mechanisms. So you push down to lock your wheels. Pretty simple. Now we can flip it over because it's basically completed. So turn it over, stretch it out, push the center down. So basically we're done. And then you have this. This is the bottom, which is rigid, and it's also the case for it to keep it where you want it, if you want to store it. Okay, we take our rigid bottom, simply put it in the bottom, and that gives it a rigid platform and keeps it expanded. Now to use your handle, simply pull up until it locks, and you have a locking handle. It rotates easily. It rolls across the grass, the uneven surface, rolls real easy. We'll take it out here to the gravel. So it's obvious it will be good on just about all terrain. Turns easily. This will be very nice to use on camping trips, beach trips. Got a vacation coming up this spring for Outer Banks. Be perfect for that. And we will get a lot of use out of that this summer. So anyway, guys, that is a look at the Nightcat. I'm gonna call it a multi-purpose cart because this could be used for so many applications other than outdoor stuff. And to store your cart, simply push this button down on the handle up here. That lowers that. Push that down, that lowers that. Take your rigid bottom out, lay it aside, grab this center loop, pick it straight up, and there you go. Then you take your rigid side here. So anyway, there it is. Your bottom goes around, straps around the sides, makes it portable. And then you can just pick it up and carry it like that. Then when you get ready to use it, undo your straps, remove your floor, and just push down on that center. And there you go. Pull up your handles, and you're ready to go. Put your floor in, and you are ready to transport whatever. Like I said, my daughter's going to be taking this and trying it out, so we'll get to see it in action. And until we do another video on this, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And until the next video, we'll see you guys later.